Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Pop Social. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Pop Social Leaderboard Competition Season 2. Claim the leaderboard and earn your share of the PPT prize pool. You can check here. Jeans NFT Mind is coming soon. You can and drop your email here. Then you can submit now and get update about Pop NFT. You can scroll down and check here the Pop Social price $0.41. You can check here, you can click here and see this daily active user 58,196, total user 5,19,725, UGC amount you can check here. And next you can scroll down and check here Pop Social new era. Futures highlight Pop Social will release cutting edge AI, social fi and Web3 future in the upcoming phase of our roadmap. You can check here AI, you can scroll down and check here, you can see this global AI native developer ecosystems, custom AI algorithm, AI creator ecosystem development fund. You can check here AI operator chatbot and UGC creator tool. And next you can check here Web3, you can see this Web3 base chain. You can check here social attention mining mechanism, pop chain layer 3, pop nodes. You can check here. Next you can check here social fi. In social fi you can see this ZK enabled verifiable social credentials, decentralized and permissionless content ownerships, on-chain content and decentralized cloud storage, decentralized creator neural agent network. And next you can scroll down and check here the partners and backers. The Pop Social ecosystem is a multi-chain platform. Check out all our partners on the same quest as ours in making the Web3 space more easily accessible. You can check here partners OKX, Fundamental Labs, Prism Group. You can see this Cointelegraph. You can check here all is the partners and backers of this project Pop Social. And next you can go to the top media futures. Check out what the world has to say about Pop. Catch all our latest media futures here. Yahoo, Market Insider, CoinDesk. You can check here, and next you can check here Pop token. The Pop ecosystem is run by a sustainable economic model. The steady flow of PPT within the Pop ecosystem allows the Pop treasury to capture value from both users and creators and redistributes this value back the community on a contribution basis. Total supply you can check here. Use PPT. With PPT you can process transaction, make purchase, unlock treasure chest, level up your account and again governance power. Multi-chain functionality. Pop began its journey on PNB Smart Chain and it also available on Polygon. As a multi-chain project, we will soon be available on many other chains. You can check here, you can see this tokenomics, light paper, verified contract. You can earn PPT now. Pump your PPT back by inviting friends and posting and engaging with content on the Pop D app. You can check here, you can scroll down and check here our roadmap. The Pop team is ecstatic about the road ahead. The future of Pop will be much like its present to be ultimate Web3 social ecosystem that empower users by placing creators in the middle. Our roadmap will tell you all about it. You can check here, you can see this cost number 4. Cost number 3 2022 community building. You can check here, you can see this Twitter. You can scroll down and check here the roadmap. So I scroll down and see this complete detail: Twitter, Discord, Telegram, MII conference. You can see the cost number 4 2025 social fi app engage to earn UGC tokenomics partnership with Perism Group. You can check here. You can scroll down and see this another detail about the roadmap. You can check here now. You can scroll down and see this decentralization journey, unique identity, profile, valid partnerships with Web3 as protocol, content, social growth, EVM, scalable data, availability layer, pop token launch. And next guys, you can see this another roadmap detail about this project. So guys, you can scroll down, check here data collection and marketplace, customer 3 2023 algorithm and generative AI, 2024 next gen AI creator studio, 2025 interoperable platform for developers. You can read carefully all roadmap about this project. Pop Social. Next guys, we discuss the Pop Social price. You can check here the price now $0.41. You can check the Pop price in Bybit exchange. So we go to Bybit. You can check here the Pop token price $0.4371, 24-hour change. You can check here 24-hour high 0.43754, 24-hour low 0.4173, 24-hour total volume. You can check here guys. You can check here the Pop token price chart. You can see this price in up and down. You can get profit now. You can see after 5 minutes trading chart. You can click here, then you can see here now. You can check here after 5 minute price. You can see now. You can see this price chart. If you want to see after 1 month, then you can click here and see this after 1 month Pop token price chart and price. You can check here guys. You can buy now. You can enter your amount of USD, then you can enter your quantity of Pop token, then you can increase the percentage, then you can enter your order value, then you can buy now. You can check here guys. This is the amazing token project. So guys, you can buy this project Pop token now. And next we back to the home page. Check here media diversity. You can check here the media diversity about this project Pop Social Web3 unique identity. You can click here and see these Pop collectibles, and next you can scroll down, check here Pop community, and engage and repeat Pop experience. You can check here all detail, and next you can scroll down and check here the shops. Limited editions, NFT fashion items, unlock exclusive physical goods. You can check here digital fashion showrooms, collaboration with artists and designers, gamification and rewards. You can click here and see this another shops detail. You can check here. Pop is a social platform that values your active participation and rewards you for every interaction as you connect with friends, explore captivating content, and join vibrant community. You will earn valuable tokens that can be redeemed for exciting perks and experience. You can read carefully all detail. You can check here. You can see the we understand the true worth of your engagement. The more you engage, the more you earn. Don't miss out this project Pop Social Pop ecosystem. Pop is a unified platform that brings together diverse social community, enabling seamless interaction and collaboration. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies like generative AI and multiple blockchains, Pop creates a cohesive environment where users can effortlessly connect and engage. You can scroll down, check interoperable. Our platform serves as multi-chain aggregator, remaining agnostic to social protocols. Sustainable. The PPT tokenomics model is designed to establish a self-sustainable ecosystem. Composable. We are a modular open platform. At its core lies our social platform engine, which is powered by AI technology. You can read carefully ITEL. You can check here Pop NFT Studio. You can see this, and next you can check here Pop Fact. What is Pop? How can I download Pop? How can I create an account on Pop social app? You can check here. And next you can check here your Web3 journey start here. So guys, you can download it on App Store and get it on Google Play Store now. And next you can check here. You can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Discord, Medium, Facebook, Reddit. So guys, we go to this project Pop Social on Coin Market Cap. So guys, you can click here and see this Pop Social on Coin Market Cap. You can check here. You can see this all important posts and updates about this project Pop Social. You can check here, you can see this all NFT updates, you can check here now. And next back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here the community sale. You can see community sale reselling round 1, you can claim now. Round 2, you can see this pilot pass, mint on OPBNB, mint on ZK Asinic highlights. You can check here the highlights. You can see these creator pop in media, pop token, blog, get verified, shops. You can check here events, pops, IDO with Bybit. You can check here retail. You can see this next guy. You can go to the white paper of this project Pop Social. So guys, you can click here and see the white paper about this project Pop Social. So guys, you can see this PDF is loading now. You can scroll down and check here all of the white paper, the problem, tractions, partners and accelerators, backers and investors, the Pop Social ecosystem. You can check here all the tokenomics. You can see this chain agnostic social identity, competitor landscape, high level roadmap, go to market strategy. You can check here all of the roadmap about this project. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.